Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got the grill out. I still need a jacket on out here, but oh, look at that. Yeah, cleaning that grill off. Still need a jacket on, but it's beautiful out. Ooh, that's the way to clean the grill. So we're going to have barbecue today. I'm home early today to enjoy this special day, because it is a special day. Today is our 3-year anniversary. Hard to believe. It's hard to believe we've been together 3 years. It's gone so fast. It's amazing. It's really incredible. And I didn't know marriage could be so good. It's really amazing. Melanie's inside making deer skewers. We got some deer meat she's been marinating for a couple days, and she's putting it all in a stick, and I'll barbecue that, or I'll grill it out here. And she's got her own special sauce she mixes that up in. Oh, it's good. It melts in your mouth. It's so good. And then she's got some vegetables and stuff. So we're going to have a nice little evening of it tonight. And got some ice cream and some special snacks for tonight, and some alcohol-free champagne. But all that's going to be private. I'm sure you understand that stuff. So anyway, I'm going to go get the meat and get it on the grill. Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. That's worth coming home early for, to spend an anniversary with my wife. Spring, melting snow, and a new beginning. I think it was the perfect time to get married. During a new beginning, a new season. It makes sense, doesn't it? Guys, the giveaway for the Landix stainless steel water bottle, the one like this, not this one. The giveaway is for a brand new one in the box, not the second-hand used one. I guess I wasn't clear on that before, but the one in the box, brand new, giveaway is still open. So go on over to the video. I'll put the link down below, and say I want the stainless steel water bottle, and enter for a chance to win. Not this one, a brand new one in the box, double-walled, insulated, stainless steel through and through. Nothing in it. Inside and out water bottle. Really nice. We use this a lot. Really love it. So, and that's from Landix. If you want to go ahead and buy one, I'll put the link down below as well. I'm not being paid for this. It's just a giveaway. Look at that. That's looking good, huh? I'm just about to pull it off in a minute. Looking really good. Smells good. There's the meat, looking really good, and Melanie made vegetables inside while I was doing the meat. We got all kinds of, oh, there's meat in there too. Broccoli and cabbage and mushrooms and beans. All fresh. And that's the deer that I got myself this fall. Really good stuff. Well, that's it for the dinner part of it. That's all you're going to get. Well, I can show you. I got Melanie a nice little pretty card and a flower. That's just the beginning of the evening and the end for you. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you all later.